So in this video, sizoyenza more examples on completing the square. So let's take our first example. Say 13y minus 42 equal to y squared. The equation yakho uyayithatha necede rearrange ngisho. Asibhale in this form kuqala, ne? Asibhale in this form kuqala. Yenza the explanation much more easier. So y squared ngiletha everything ngisho komele kube no 0. This 0 now, so bese ngi-rewrite in this fashion. So ngiletha lo 13 yoba minus 13, 42 yoba ubani positive 42, ne? Angisho u-a wakho okay, a wakho when completing the square komele ahlale u-1, so i-grand iloku ayi-perfect ke la so, ne? Bese ke after lapho wenzani? After lapho wenzani? Okay, nayiso ikahle, but then mina ngithanda nayihleli so lelo kanje, ne? Athi ngi-rewrite like this one, ne? Anyway, loku naloku into eyi-1, this equation and this equation into eyi-1, but ngithanda nayihleli so, ne? Ngithanda nayihleli so, mina ngi-right handed, so nayiso ingiconfuse kakhulu ke, but anyway, noma ungayisolve in this way uzothola the same answer ekugcineni, just for clarity nje kuphela, uyabona, ngizoyi-rearrange ibe ngale ndlela le. So after okay, from here so uyayibona ke manje, from here ngithatha lo 42 ngimletha ngapha, ngizosala no y squared minus 13y equal to minus 42, ne? Minus 42, bese ngithatha this value ngiyenzani konje, ngithatha lo minus 13. Remember this b value angisho soyi-multiply ngo-half, but make sure ukuthi uma uyithatha uyithatha nesign yakhona. So it's minus 13 times half all squared is equal to, ngibhale so, angina-space ngapha, so it's negative 13 over 2 ngizoyishiya so ngoba nangizoyi-divide izokunika i-decimal. All squared is equal to, nangisquare this whole thing ngithola ukuthi 13 squared is equal to, it's gonna be positive 169 over 4, ne? So uma ngizoyehla nayo this equation, ngizoyehla nalo y squared minus 13, and then on the left hand side ngizothi add what, this part ngi-adda this value, ngi-adda on the left hand side, it's minus 13 over 2 equal to minus 42 plus bani 169 over 4. So on the right hand side ngi-adda le value le, on the left hand side ngi-adda le value le, ne? So ngehla nayo ke minus no, okay, uma seyiso konje yini i-perfect square leya, ne? I-perfect square, so now it's a trinomial esithi ilo kanje, perfect square. So now we factorize this thing, uthola ukuthi it's y minus, ne? Sorry, there's a squared here, it's minus 13 over 2 all squared. This minus 13 over 2 ngithatha ngaphakathi ilo kanje, ile value engaphakathi kwale bracket le, so uyibhala la this y lo, then everything squared is equal to, bese nangi-adda these two terms, minus 42, okay, minus 42 plus 169 over 4 equal to, I think 7 say this one, 1 over 4. 1 over 4. it's 1 over 4 ne nangi-add these two ngithola 1 over 4. So from lana ngenzani, I square both sides. Square both sides lana kuzoba plus minus, angisho a square root ikunikeza a negative and a positive answer. So square this bracket, this square izokhanselwa ile square root minus bese kusala y minus 13 over 2 equal to the square root of 1 over 4, it's plus minus 1 over 2 ne? Then from la solve for y is equal to plus minus a half 13 over 2 nangimtranspose izofika as positive 13 over 2 ne? Therefore simplify further manje ngina 2 yama solutions because of this plus and a minus, so it's gonna be plus 1 over 2 plus 13 over 2. Y is equal to the second solution, it's minus half plus 13 over 2. So now we simply now add that now simplify lapha. It's half plus 13 over 2. I'm talking about it's 7 negative half plus 13 over 2, it's 6. It's 6 ne? It's a 6. So such a one more example. One more example. So such a this one 2, it's 2y squared minus 5y minus 13 is equal to 0. So a wami ubani 2, b wami ubani 5 and c 3 ne? So a wami kumele ahlale awubani, kumele ahlale awu 1. So ngizodivide each term ekhona kule equation ngo2 ne? 2 divide 2 it's y squared, and then angizoyiyekela as a fraction ngoba nangi-divide nginika a negative number, izonginika a rational number. So not this one ngizoyiyeka njalo, it's gonna be 3 over 2 equal to 0 divided by any number, it's 0 ne? Therefore bese ngithatha the c value ngiletha to the ngiletha on the right hand side of the equation, bese ngisala no 5 over 2y equal to 3 over 2 ne? Therefore ngithatha my b value ngimultiply ngo half, it's minus 5 over 2 ngayikhohlwa le sign times a half all squared equal to ne? Multiply what's inside the bracket into minus 5 over 4 ne? All squared is equal to plus 5 squared, it's 25 over 4 squared, it's 16. So nangihlanayo it's gonna be okay, I think ngibhalele ngapha mark iyaphela le. Okay, I think ngibhalele ngapha, it's gonna be y squared minus 5 over 2y plus this value we add on the left hand side, so it's minus 5 over 4 all squared ne? Everything squared, so equal to, then on the right hand side you know 3 over 2. Let's say on the right hand side add the 25 over 16 ne? So this trinomial really is perfect square, so sothini y negative 5 over 4, this value is Allah, and then this y or everything squared ne? Equal to, now enter the 2 le 3 over 2 plus 25 over 16. It's 49 over 60. 49 over 60. So bese ngenzani from there? Square both sides. Then you plus minus. Plus minus. So the square root of on the left hand side of is minus. It's y minus 5 over 4 equal to, what's the square root of 49? It's 7. Square root of 16 is 4. Plus minus. Yeah? Therefore, our y value is going to be equal to plus minus 7 over 4. Then is ngapha about 5 over 4 equal to, first solution it's 7 over 4. Second solution it's negative 7 over 4. 7 over 4. 7 over 4 and then plus 5 over 4 equal to, so now you simplify, it's 7 over 4 plus solution yami yoba ubani is about 3, and then a1 iba negative, it's gonna be a negative half, ne? So ama solutions wami azoba 2, 1 3, 1 negative half. So yeah, at least since the 2 examples lana, I hope it was worth it. So thanks for watching, and then stay tuned for more. Bye bye.